And kung makaka-keep up ba yung mga new clashers sa may experience ng clash battles.
Ang nilolook forward ko, magkakaroon ng isang super laking like twist na magagana. Pwedeng hindi lang isang winner, pwedeng dalawang winners. And then, ito masasabi,
Twist, may iba pa raw inaabangan sina Lani at Christian.
Of course, sino ka naman hindi may excite, ano? Second season sila nung pumasok as hosts. Oh, they were really good friends. And kami ni Ai, kami yung parang marites na mga tita. Kami yung mga chismosang tita na we've been observing both of them.
Yung journey ng love story ni Jules, nandun talaga sila Miss Lani. So, alam mo yun, and kahit talaga, kaya hindi na lang natin
we're just very, very happy. Where we are now, and we are excited even more dun sa kanyang progress.
Facility ng pangako. Positibo sa mga
So, magiging ano, kasi lang ngayon nagsisaya. Wala na kami, tawagan na lang kita, may talagang
sa tira